Hey Riker, what did we just do?
We just painted parts
Painted parts for what?
for the bike.
Yeah. You help?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was touching Liz because I want to help you do something.
Yeah.
I was gonna make a thing that you can ride right onto.
Yeah, a ramp?
Yeah, a one that you could do over
Oh yeah?
Tom.
Oh yeah? That's pretty cool. You're getting good with using a saw, huh? Should we show everybody what we did?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so we'll have to know what I was holding with.
Yep, you were holding that. So I took the turbo off, cleaned it up a little bit, took the parts off of it, took the parts off the side of the bike, and I've got them painted just to keep the rust off of them. So that's just got regular black on it, and so does that, and so does the air intake. The charge pipe is just regular white paint, as is the side cover. The oil drain and the header pipe have high heat paint, but the can clogged up while I was doing the down pipe, so that one's just gonna stay stainless. And this is steel, so that might rust a little bit. I might paint that in the future, but because the can plugged up, not the nozzle, the actual can plugged up, I didn't get that fully painted, so I just hit it with some brake clean and cleaned it. So it's stainless. So everything's painted. We're gonna let it dry. Maybe tomorrow we'll put it all together, huh, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think? Turbo dirt bike. Do you think it's gonna go fast?
Really backed up my one.
Really fast up your ramp? How far am I gonna jump?
Like up in the air and then back onto a glass.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Really far?
Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, high five. Yeah. Should we go inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Bud?
Well, I'm drawing like with.
Oh, you're drawing a plan for the ramp?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And we all forward that the racing is there.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna tell everybody what I'm doing to the dirt bike, okay?
And was that for a dope.
Yeah, so when I get done with my project, I can use your project to do a cool jump, huh?
Yeah.
So, everything's painted, put up here. This was gonna be white, but I ran out, so I just made it black. Looks fine, matches a little better. I'm using high temp silicone to seal everything because I lost the gaskets. So that's in. I got the lines attached. I just need to plumb up the tank over there and put the pump on, and then we'll be able to start it. So it's ready to run. I'm not real happy with this 45 here. I'm gonna end up getting another 90, so I can 90 down and 90 over, but it's still not that low. Got all the hoses connected up. I just finished hooking up the pump, which I'm just using the curly Q cord to hook that up to my SAE port. Yeah, you sure can have a sip of my drink, bud. There you go. And yeah, like I said, it's just into the SAE port for now. I can easily control it. All the exhaust plumbing is in. Used high temp silicone to seal everything because I lost the gaskets, but it'll work. I test ran the pump to get some oil through it. Air filter is on. Charge pipe's on. It's into the air box, so we're ready to try it.